Look at all of that sediment. You can actually see the sediment if you zoom in. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, so remove the flow sensor. And there's just like a piece of plastic in here. I don't know what it is, where it came from, but yeah, this could have been the problem. We got a new one. When you pop this flow sensor out, make sure you take the gasket out of here and you pop it back in here, because otherwise you're gonna have a leak. You're gonna have a leak. And then in the meantime, all right. Cool. And here's our new flow sensor. Alright, so next one up is the water adjustment valve. Plug that. These valves got a couple clips. Alright, so bottom clip, top clip. Clip is off. Valve's off. Alright, so this thing was just leaking from down here. It's pretty bad. So make sure your O-rings are still in place. I like to check them. Make sure they're still in good shape. Right, just the same way it came out. All right, so first thing is, let's see if you could get a like that. Make sure you move your wires out of the way. Once the top one goes in, you can seat the bottom one. All right. Next step is to get this clip back underneath it. That is the most challenging part. Making sure these two pieces sit in between. Like you see here, you gotta sit in between this groove. And so the next one's towards the rear. And I think that one grabbed down very nice, very nicely. Okay, just make sure harness is not wet before you connect anything. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave it off for a little bit. Okay, next step is the check valve. Same deal, we got two clips. Water. Just have a rag in there. All right. And just as I figured, it's broken inside. All right. That's why it ended up in our flow sensor. So as you can see, there's a new design to the check valve now. I hope. I think like a small thermostat screwdriver may help. It's coming out in pieces, so there we go. Look at that. Wow. So you could still reuse this if you wanted to. Otherwise, just install the whole new check valve. Now I'm going to rinse this before I actually install the new one, just so I can make sure no debris is still in there that may clog up the flow sensor. Alright, there's our new check valve going in. Very nice. Double check these O-rings, make sure they're in good condition. Before I install it, I just want to make sure everything is nice and dry in here, because otherwise I can't tell if I got any active leaks. So that's always important. Alright, here we go. The check valve's going in. Rear goes in first. And then I connect it to my circulator. Cool. And so the next step is this clip in there. And the clamps. It's probably much better. There you go. Let's grab it on. Nice. All right, that looks nice and secure. All right, next step is our automatic. Grab some channel locks. Oh boy, look at that. Wow. Let's hope the pump's still good. actually, let me take a picture. Yeah, that's all right. I don't want to do it too tight because it is plastic and it'll break. Let's hope we don't have to replace the pump. All right, so I got my MP 240A to start firing up. Before we did these repairs, it was not heating. Now we have the Combi heating as well. Zone valve is working properly. Now